Hello everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everyone is still doing well today. I know we just did the JJ21 preview, but I have a box here. UPS just delivered my package from Stampin' Up. It's the part 2 of the January to June, my pre-order. When I placed my order originally, a shipping container had gotten damaged in transit, and some of the dies that I wanted for 2 different bundles were unavailable. So when I found out that the bundles were available, I placed my order, and while I was there, I got some other goodies, and I earned some Sale-a-bration items as well. So let's get started. We have our bubble wrap. See, our first item, kangaroo dies. These are the dies that I wanted to get originally, but were part of the damaged shipping container. It goes along with this stamp set, this Kangaroo and Company stamp set. There are 20 stamps in the set, and they're male, some baby. Hopping by just to say hi, thanks a bunch, hello, just a note, hello baby, happy for you, it's your day, love you much. I'm going to use that one a lot because I sign my cards to family. I say love you much, just for you, and an envelope with a heart, some presents, some hearts, some flowers, kangaroo. This kangaroo actually goes in the pouch. So I'm gonna have to practice lining this up with the pouch. Here's another kangaroo. Here's a party hat, a heart, and a butterfly. And these are photopolymer stamps. And this is what the stamps look like. So I'm looking forward to using that, and I will show you the dies that coordinate. So here are the dies. There are 11 dies in this set, and you see the kangaroo mama with the pouch. It actually cuts a little slit so you could fit the kangaroo baby inside of the pouch. So that sold me because I thought that was too adorable. So these go with these. That's one bundle. And my second bundle, Pretty Perennials. It's another photopolymer stamp set. There are 21 stamps, a lot of 2-step stamping. Word happy, and then there's mail, for you, birthday, you make me, and sending lots of. So these smaller sentiments go along with the happy. And there's a lot of flowers. And here are the dies. Here are the dies. There are 23 dies in this set, and they cut out the different flowers, outlines, and inside. So they don't cut out the words, but they cut out the flowers. So if you want to do maybe a 3-dimensional flower, you can use the dies for that purpose. So that's what I went to order. But while I was there, as you see, I ordered some other stuff. I ordered some Champagne Mist Shimmer Paint. I'll show you how that's used in a minute. And I ordered also this Frost White Shimmer Paint. I'll show you how they're used. I bought these spritzers, Stampin' spritzers. You can take a few drops of the shimmer paint, 2-3 drops, mix it with 70% alcohol in the spritzer, shake it up, and spray. I'm going to use this on a few projects, so I'll repeat those instructions, but it's really simple to make. That's why I bought these spritzers. They're 2 in a pack, but I wanted to have extra just in case I had an accident and I didn't quite do it right. Paper pumpkin. I have 2 of these. These are only available to demonstrators, but I buy an extra paper pumpkin box every month. So when I give away my extra box, I include a stamp set, because usually the person I give the box to is not a stamper. It's just sharing my creativity. And I recently gave, last week, I gave out 4 of these. So every month I try to buy 2 or 3 of these. Whisper White envelopes. Whisper White, the paper mill that makes Whisper White for Stampin' Up! Went out of business. So this is actually my last order for Whisper White envelopes. I tried to place an order after this one and tried to add this to my cart, but they are discontinued. So this is 40 in a pack. I think I have about 20. So this is a 100. Should hold me maybe 2 months or so. But I don't know when the basic white is going to be replacing the Whisper White. I don't know when that's going to be available, but I think I'm good in terms of envelopes. This is silver embossing powder. I used some white embossing a few weeks ago with the snowman season. This is silver, and I use gold embossing powder when I use I did the Hark the Herald Angels Sing card. So I really like embossing. I like the look of the embossing once you use the heat tool to set it. This is silver. I believe I got 2 of each color. This is another silver. This is the white. This is the white I use for the snowmen. This is another gold. I use that for Hark the Herald Angels Sing. And this is gold. So I have 2. Yes, here's the other one. This is my second white. This is a silicone craft sheet. If you're working with some adhesive, for example, you put some adhesive on a part of your project, but you're not ready to set that piece, you can put the piece on here and it won't stick. The silicone craft sheet will prevent your paper, your adhesive from sticking. So if you need to just set this down temporarily until the part of the project is ready for the part you adhered. Sometimes I get too fast and I adhere things and I'm not ready for it. So I needed this. Take Your Pick die brush tip. This is my Take Your Pick tool. It has a pointy end, and then it has this little flat spatula end. These are interchangeable. And then on this end, you can pick up things. This is gummy. I don't use that end too often, but you can pick up things with that. But I wanted to get this brush tip because sometimes I cut out intricate dies. And the paper, like the one with the snow, the curvy dies, it had a lot of small dots. And so I can just run this over, attach this to my Take Your Pick tool, run this over the die, and get out all those little pieces of paper. So that's the purpose of this. And there's some foam in here. I don't know what this foam is for. I have to look into that, but this is what I bought. And my Sale-a-bration touch of ink. This is a Sale-a-bration stamp set. I have this, but I have this for myself. This is two-step stamping. As you see, there are 17 stamps in this set. There are a few sentiments, best wishes, thank you so much, hope, thinking of you, love, hello friend. Some leaves, some hummingbirds, some leaves, and a butterfly, some flowers here. So I bought, my first stamp set, I selected for myself, but this is going to be offered as a prize during my workshop that's going to be held on January 29th. I have a few Sale-a-bration items that I intend to offer as prizes, because I picked all the ones I wanted. So I have some orders that I plan to make. I have at least 2 more orders I plan to make in the next week or so. I plan to get the January Paper Pumpkin add-on, and then I have a list of things I want to get, and I can still earn Sale-a-bration. So as I continue to earn Sale-a-bration items, I'm going to offer them as prizes during my workshop on January 29th. And then this is a Sale-a-bration item, Flower and Field Designer Series paper. I'll show you the paper. I'm not really into flowers, but I like the back side of the flowers. It's a more subtle design. I'll show you that. So if you like flowers, there's a lot of, there's 2. Yes, there's 2 Sale-a-bration Designer Series paper packs that deal with flowers. This and another one I think I showed you. If I didn't show you, I know I opened it during my unboxing, but I'm going to I'm going to feature it during my JJ21 preview. So the colors are Bumblebee, the coordinating colors. Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Shaded Spruce, So Saffron, and Whisper White. So as I mentioned, I wanted the second side of the paper. Like this paper here, this side, this is the side I probably will use more so than that side. Some flowers, and then there's polka dots. Polka dots are my thing. When I make a quilt, most of the quilts that I've made have some fabric that has polka dots. So I like polka dots. More flowers. More polka dots. This looks like black, but it's probably a Night of Navy and Just Jade. Some daisies. And then we have some vines. I'm more likely to use that side as the background. These flowers are nice. And then the other side looks like little tulip heads. And finally, yeah, it looks like little poppies, and then there's stripes. I probably used the poppies before I used the stripes. So that is my haul from my pre-order. As a demonstrator, I was able to pre-order from the January to June 2021 mini catalog. This is my second unboxing. My first unboxing was a few weeks ago. If you have any questions about the mini catalog, it goes live January 5th, 2021. You can earn Sale-a-bration items for every $50 and $100 you spend in the mini catalog and the annual catalog, you can earn free Sale-a-bration items. If you have any questions about that, feel free to contact me. I am going to put these back and put my dies on my magnet sheets. I'll do that tomorrow. But I'm going to put these together just so that they don't get separated. But I'm really excited to use this one. I saw this after when I first saw the catalog, and this was on my list from the beginning. And this is going to be a prize offering. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.